Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to check your token usage in Claude AI in 2026. So first of all, you just have to open your web browser. Over here in the search bar, you need to simply search for Anthropic Console or Claude Console. So here you can search for platform.claude.com, or you can also search for Anthropic Console or Claude Console. Now, when you are on the official website, you just have to log in here with the same login credentials of yours that you may have used while creating your account here inside Claude. Now, when you do so, you will be landed here on this type of page where you will be shown to add the credits to your to start building. So over here, you are going to see a bunch of different types of dollars, and here you just have to select the best value, provide all of these details, and you can buy your credits over here. Now, when you purchase all of your credits over here, you will be shown this type of credits section here in the bottom left hand corner of the screen. So right next to it, you are going to see the number of credits that are available here in your account. If you want to add funds or if you want to add credits, you just have to simply click on the option of add funds right next to it. Then you just have to select the amount that you want to select from the given options here on the top. Then provide all of your details and click on the option of buy $100 worth of credits. So this way you will be able to find all of your token usage here in your Claude AI. Thank you.